How to withdraw your earnings from Upwork. First of all, open your browser and log into your Upwork account. Next, click on your profile picture at the top right corner and select Account Settings from the menu. From the Settings page, go to the Get Paid section. Here you will see your available balance and withdrawal options. Upwork offers multiple withdrawal methods such as direct bank transfer, PayPal, Pioneer, and wire transfer. Choose the method that suits you best. If you haven't added a payment method yet, click Add Method, fill in your account details, and save it. Make sure all information is correct to avoid payment delays. Next, select the amount you want to withdraw. You can either withdraw your full balance or a partial amount. Confirm the withdrawal details and tap Submit. Your request will be processed according to Upwork's schedule. Payments usually take 1 to 5 business days depending on the method you choose. You will receive a notification once your funds are successfully transferred. Now you know how to withdraw your earnings from Upwork safely and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.